It's a 2021 INFINITI QX50. This QX50 was created to elevate your driving experience with more responsiveness and more confidence. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and continuously variable automatic transmission. For the distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. Make it an INFINITI. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.